you're looking for a way to actually make money through chatting, this particular platform is basically for you. In this platform, all you need to do is chat and also live stream, but the live stream is not like mostly showing your face, it's like audio live streaming. Okay. So you audio stream, you talk, you go to the seat and talk and get gifted by people you are entertaining and all. So for you to like actually get this particular app, all you need to do is go to your Play Store or actually your Apple Store, type in Soyo app. Okay, so once you've done that and you have downloaded the app, all you need to do is create your account. You can create your account with Google, you can create your account with Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform that you want to use. But for me, I make use of Google. So all you need to do is tap on Google. So once you tap on Google, it's going to load. Okay, let's just go through. So you're going to be using the particular account you're going to be making use of. So for me, I already have an account in this particular app, but I'm going to be using another account in order for you to know how to go through it. Okay, so I'm going to like use this particular email address in order for me to create account. Okay, I already have account in this particular platform. So I can't use two accounts. Okay, so let me just use my last login. Okay, can't use two accounts in this particular thing. So I guess particular one. Sorry for forgotten my email. So guys, I'm here in this particular platform. So once you have created your account, this is what it should be looking like. And if you want to make money in this app, basically for late, right? If you want to make money in this app, all you need to do is just join agency. If you don't join agency, you won't be getting any money. And for clarification, it's only ladies that earn in this particular app. For ladies, I'm going to be dropping my agency link in the description box so that you can join agency, or I'm going to be pasting agency invitation code in the description box. And please, this is also agency withdrawal. I'm just trying to verify you so that you make sure you join the agency in order for you to get paid. So this is how it works. You come to this place where it says home. This is your home. When you log in, it's your interface when you log in. And as a lady, once you are here in this particular platform, you want to like chat or get people to chat you tap on the hi messages, you send them hi. And once you send them hi, system automatically sends people messages out. Okay, it depends on the person to now like reply you and all that. So this is called moment. So the moment is where you can actually post your picture, post your videos, post whatever it is that can attract people, like actually come to your DM to chat you. Okay, so you come here where it says chat. Okay, and you've seen I have actually received something like within 3 minutes. I'm to like reply this particular stuff within 3 minutes. So I'm going to be like saying hi. Okay, so the quicker you reply, the quicker you reply, the better for you. Okay, and make sure you stay where um you are actually going to like getting network. Okay, where you have network. For me right now, as you can see, there is no network. So I should reply within 3 minutes. If I should get 3 minutes, if this thing should read finish now without me, let me just change position in order for me to get this diamond. Once you reply a message like I replied it, so I replied everything because of my network. So I got like 15 diamonds. So each reply you give there is like 30 diamonds. Okay. So you have to like once this person calls you and pick up the call, it's also going to be your diamond that is going to be like are going to be getting diamonds for picking up the call, sending out your video, like your picture to the person, and person viewing it or replying to it. So it's going to be like just chatting and getting paid. Okay. So what you need to also come to this place where it says me. This is where you're going to fill out your informations, everything about you. You're going to be filling out here. And you are going to be joining agents, like I said, before you can actually earn. You are going to be buying agents before you can actually earn in this particular platform as a lady. Okay. So this is all about this particular platform chat. Then let's try and go. You can also play game. You can play game in order for you to get coins or diamonds, whatever you get. So if you come to this page, you're going to see income. So when where you see income is actually how much you make and how much you make it and how to cash out. How to cash out in this is agency pay. Agency pay home. Okay. So I don't know, my network is kind of bad. I don't know why it's not good. So if you are interested in this particular platform, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Please, I'm going to be dropping the link in my um, agency link. I'm going to be dropping it, basically WhatsApp. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box and also going to drop um, the invite code for this particular app in case you don't want to like come to my join my agency. You can actually join. You can also send your ID because I'm going to be verifying it before you can even end. Okay, so you just have to like send it like chat me up on WhatsApp, then send your ID. This is all about this app. If you're interested, just join and you're going to be getting paid for it. Okay. For you to cash out in this particular platform is weekly pay. Okay, but you need 13,000 diamond. 13,000 diamond you need $2. 13,000 diamond is giving you $2. Okay, so that is the minimum withdrawal and you cash out your money. So you can actually make more than $2. You can make like $30,000 in the week based on your how much you put in your time and all that. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful and let me know if you are going to be working with particular platform and it's for both iOS and Android users. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye.